Lesson 5.4, Levels of Organization. In this lesson, you will be able to describe how different levels of organization work together in organisms. So we're going to zoom out a little bit and look at how living things are organized. Living things are not just random parts, they are organized into different levels. Each level builds on the one before it. Each level has a specific job. And all of the levels work together to keep the organism alive. So here's the order, and it's really important for you to remember it. First, we have the cell. When cells come together, they make tissues. When tissues join together, they make an organ. When many organs come together, it's called an organ system. And finally, when all of these organ systems work together in a single living thing, we call that an organism. Now, let's look at what it actually looks like in real life. So we can start off with a cell, which is the smallest unit of life. When similar cells work together, they form a tissue. So for example, the nerve cells come together and they make a nerve tissue. When different tissues work together, they form an organ. So the nerve tissue helps make the brain. Then organs work together to form an organ system. And in this situation, the brain is a part of the nervous system. And the rest of the system is made of your nerves, of course. And finally, all the organ systems working together in a human makes us. Let's look at another example with plants. So we have leaf cells that form leaf tissue. The leaf tissue forms the leaf, which is an organ. The leaves work together in the shoot system, so how water is being uptaked. And finally, all the systems work together to make the whole plant. Let's do one more example with an animal. So let's use a bird. Birds have muscle cells. And these muscle cells, when they come together, they make a muscle tissue. The muscle tissue forms with organs to help them breathe, like the lungs. The lungs are a part of the respiratory system. And all the systems together make the bird, and that's how they survive. So the key idea is that each level builds on the one before it, and they all work together to keep the organism functioning. If one part is disrupted, then it can be a big impact on the overall health of the organism.